Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your vitamin D. First, let's explore the easiest and most natural method, safe sun exposure. We'll then discuss delicious dietary sources that can contribute to your daily intake. Finally, we'll cover when supplements might be a helpful option and how to approach them effectively. Get ready to feel more energized and support your overall well-being. Sunlight is a fantastic natural source of vitamin D. When your skin is exposed to ultraviolet B rays, it produces this essential vitamin. Just 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun exposure, a few times a week, can make a significant difference. Remember to protect your skin from sunburn, especially after your initial exposure, to maintain healthy skin while boosting your vitamin D. You can also increase your vitamin D through your diet. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are naturally rich in this vitamin. Many common foods like milk, certain cereals, and orange juice are fortified with vitamin D, making them easy additions to your meals. Look for these options to help meet your daily requirements and support your health. If diet and sun exposure aren't enough, vitamin D supplements can be a helpful solution. Many adults find success with dosages between 600 and 2,000 international units daily. However, it's always best to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for your specific needs. They can help you create a personalized plan to safely and effectively increase your vitamin D.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.